Hello everyone, let's dive into the Get Parts P1058930-098 peel assembly kit. Designed as a replacement peel option for Zebra ZT410, ZT411, and ZM400 thermal barcode label printers. This kit is specifically made for the 203 DPI, 300 DPI, and 600 DPI models. It's important to note that this particular assembly is not compatible with the Zebra ZT420 or ZM600 printers, so double-check your printer model before purchasing. The key feature here is that it's a brand new Zebra replacement peel option. The kit includes a 4-inch peel assembly upgrade, which can be a significant time saver if you're frequently dealing with peeling labels. Instead of manually peeling each label, this assembly automates the process, making it much more efficient, especially for high-volume printing. The part numbers you're looking for when replacing this assembly are P1058930-096. Inside the box, you'll find a 4-inch kit peel assembly upgrade. Get Parts also offers a thoughtful after-sales service. All customers enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means if you're not satisfied with your purchase for any reason, you can return it for a full refund. Additionally, they encourage customers to reach out to them with any product problems, promising to solve the issue promptly. In terms of specifications, the brand is listed as Parts, and it utilizes thermal printing technology with USB connectivity. The assembly comes in black and is identified by the model name P1058930-098. If you're looking to streamline your label printing process with your Zebra ZT410, ZT411, or ZM400 printer, the Get Parts Peel Assembly Kit is worth considering. The automated peeling function can save valuable time and effort, and a 30-day money-back guarantee provides peace of mind. Just be sure to verify that it's compatible with your specific printer model before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.